Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my ninth lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1D, that is about application of quadratic equation in real world. In this lesson I will solve question number 13 of intermediate level. Let's read the question and underline and understand important terms of the question. It's really important to underline important terms of the question and try to differentiate between the statements which are the supportive statements and the statements which begin with word find, what and how. They are the requirements of question. Question says that in January 2009 the price of rice in the Singapore was $X per kg. A food catering company spent an average of $350 on rice each month. The first part of the question says, write down an expression in terms of X for the average amount of the food catering company ordered in January 2009. Write down an expression in terms of X for the average amount of the rice that this food company ordered in January 2009. The second part says that in January 2012, the prices each kilogram of the rice had increased by 15 cents. Next part says, given that the company continued to spend $350 on the rice each month, write down the expression in terms of X for the average amount of the rice ordered in January 2012. And in the third part, the question says the difference in the amount of the rice ordered is 30 kg. Formulate an equation and show that it reduces to 20x square plus 3x minus 35 equals to 0, and hence finally find the price of each kilogram of rice in January 2012. Let's move to the solution of question and let's read the question from the top again. That in January 2009, the prices of rice in Singapore was $X per kg. Write down the statements that price per kg rice in 2009 is $X. And the second thing information is that company's expenditure per month is monthly expenditure is $350 per month. Then the question says, first part of the question says, write down expression in terms of X for average amount of rice. Average amount of rice in January 2009, average amount of rice will be equal to 350 upon X. Now coming to the next information that says in January 2012, what happened in January 2012, that the price of each kilogram of rice had increased by 15 cents. 15 cents are equal to $0.15. Now, given that the company, first thing is that we have to understand that when in 2009 the price per kg rice was $X, and in January 2012 the price has increased per kg by $0.15. So what will be the price per kg rice? Price per kg rice will be X plus $0.15, and the amount or expenditure is same, and the average amount of rice for 2012 will be 350 upon X plus 0.15. Now coming to the next part that says if the difference in the amount of the rice ordered is 30 kg. Difference in the amount of rice, so what we will be doing, that 350 upon x minus 350 upon x plus 0.15 30 kg equals to 30. I hope you are clear that how we are forming the equation, as the difference between the weight amount of rice is 30 kg. So I am subtracting this. Now in order to get the equation, because the question says show that the equation reduces to 20x square plus 3x minus 35, I have to simplify this expression. Numerator is 350, so take it common to make your equation and expression on the left hand side in easy form. Inside the bracket, I will left with 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 0.15, and this is equal to 30. As the both sides are having 0, so we can cancel 0 in this step. Make your calculation easy and simplify in every step. Now take the LCM. X into x plus 0.15 will be the LCM equals to 3. Now look, the first denominator is x, but the LCM is x into x plus 0.15. So this numerator will be multiplied by x plus 0.15 minus x. Now x will be cancelled with x, and I will left with 35 multiplied by 0.15 equals to 3 into x plus 0.15. As this is the paper 2 question, so you can use calculator. There is no harm. Multiplied by 0.15, 35 multiplied by 0.15 will give me 5.25. 5.25 equals to 3 into x square plus 0.15x. Now 5, 5, 10 and 2, 12. It means 5.25 can be divided by 3 easily. Shift 3 to other side and divide 5.25 by 3. Divided by 3 can give me 1.75 equals to x square plus 0.15x. Now look at the equation which is given in the question. Equation is 20x square plus 3x minus 35. It does not contain the decimal. So what we have to do, we have to remove the decimal. So 1.75 upon 100 equals to x square plus 0.15 x upon 100. I'm removing the decimal here. And now multiply both sides of equation by 100, and my equation will take the form 175 equals to 100x square plus 15x. Now make it a standard quadratic equation by shifting constant to other side, and equation will take the form 100x square plus 15x minus 175 equals to 0. Now again compare it with the original equation. Now we do not have the decimal, but instead of 100 we need 20, then 3, and then we need 35. Now what can be extracted as a common factor? If I'm taking 5 as a common factor, 5 how many times is 100? That is 20 x square plus 5 3s are 15x, and 175 divided by 5, that will give me 35. Minus 35 equals to 0. Shift 5 to other side, and my equation will take the form 20x square plus 3x minus 35 equals to 0. And compare this equation with the given equation 20x square plus 3x minus 35 equals to 0. It is really important that when equation is already given in the question, we have to reduce our working to that step. So at this stage we are reaching at that step. Now this, I hope this step is okay to you. Next part says solve the equation. In order to solve the equation, what we have to do and find the price of each kilogram of rice in January 2012. First we have to solve this equation. 20x square plus 3x minus 35 equals to 0. Recall the methods of solution of quadratic equation. If I'm multiplying 35 by 20, forget about 0 for some time. 35 2s are 70, means 700. Make the factors of 700, that can give me 3 and 700 both at the same time. 2 how many times is 700? 2, 3, 35, 0. Then 350 divided by 2 can give me 175. 175, 7 and 5, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 is not suitable. Divided by 5. 5 7s are 35. And then 35. 5 3s are 15. And 5 7s are 35. And then again I will have 5 3s are 15. And 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are. Okay, now what we can do is 2, 2, 5, 5 and 7. 5 5s are 25, 2s are 50, 2s are 100 and 100 multiplied by 7 is 700. Yes, now set the factors in such a way that we can get 3 and 700 at the same time. If I'm taking 28 and 25, 28 minus 25 can give me 3. And 28 multiplied by 25 can give me 700. So we should have the good grasp on the method. If you find any difficulty in understanding the method of it and trial, you can watch my lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. So my middle term can be written as 20x plus 28x minus 25x minus 35 equals to 0. Make the groups of like terms. And from each group extract some number and letter as a common factor, 4 and x, and inside the bracket I will left with 5x plus 7. Coming to the second part, minus sign is with both the terms, so I will extract minus out, minus 5, and inside the bracket I will left with 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Again 5x plus 7 is the common group. Extract it out, pull it out, 5x plus 7 into 4x minus 5 equals to 0. In order to solve this equation, apply either or condition, either 5x plus 7 equals to 0 or 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Shift constant to other side. By changing the sign, this will give me 5x equals to minus 7, x equals to minus 7 by 5 or minus 1 whole 2 by 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7 by 5, or 4x equals to 5, or x equals to 5 by 4, or x equals to 1 whole 1 by 4. These are the two solutions or roots of this equation, minus 1 whole 2 by 5 and 1 whole 1 by 4. Now if you look at the supposition of the question, x is the price, so we are not going to accept this. This will be the rejected root, and this will be the accepted solution for this question. Now the final part of the question was saying, hence find the price of each kg of rice in January 2012. We know that the price per kg of rice in January 2012, the expression is x plus 0.15. So what we will be doing, price per kg rice in January 2012 will be equal to x plus 0.15 and x is 1.25. 1 whole 1 by 4 is 1.25 plus 0.15, that can be 1.25 plus 0.15, and this is $1.40. So the price per kg of the rice in January 2012 is 1.40. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.